Hello friends, in this video I will be covering what is IRB. IRB stands for Interactive Ruby Cell. So what is IRB? You can just open the terminal and type here IRB, Interactive Ruby Cell. So this is the command, this is the terminal where you can run any Ruby code. You can use it as a calculator, 3 plus 4, 7, print, Neetesh, and you can define some method, define hi, where you have put some message hello from terminal, and you can call this method hi. It will print you something hello from terminal. So this is the interactive Ruby cell. You can explore the Ruby in 30 minutes, Ruby in 30 minutes, where you will see the interactive Ruby. You can print some message, you can put message, you can use that as a calculator, and then you can go to defining some methods. Just go ahead and explore this. I will share this this link in the description, so you can just go ahead and practice this Ruby in 20 minutes and for this terminal. That's it for this video. Thank you.